In Book 1, we were allowed to count our x's and our units out individually. We would get out our x square, count out the number of x's we needed. We would then count out the number of units we needed, and we would build our rectangle. In Book 2, we are no longer allowed to use individual x's. In Book 2, we must use multiples of x. Here you can see that we can get x's in multiples of 2x's, 3x's, 4x's, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9x's. Let's look at a problem in Book 2 and see how this is done. We are still allowed to count out our units individually. We will look at the problem x squared plus 6x plus 8. We will get out our x squared. We will also get out our 8 units. We are not allowed to count out our x's, so we will pass the x's by for now and count out 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we learned to factor that we would always try how many x's on the side? First of all, we would try 1x on the side and place the rest on the top. The child must place the rest of the x's on the top. Of his 6 x's, he has used 1. Does the child know how many more need to go on top? No, he hasn't learned his addition facts yet. So, he must come over and try to find the correct amount of x's to place on the top. Let's suppose the child got the wrong amount of x's to place on the top. Well, first of all, he wants to check to make sure that he's got 6 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1 and 4 was not correct. That gave him a total of 5 x's. Did the child waste his time by getting the wrong amount? No, the child is learning addition facts. The child is learning that 1 and 4 makes 5, not 6. This time the child gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. Does that make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 1 and 5 make 6. First of all, we tried 1 on the side and 5 on top. We place our units in the corner and they don't all fit. If they don't all fit, we must try not 1 on the side, but how many on the side? 2. We will get our multiple of 2 x's on the side. Now we must figure out 2 plus how much more makes 6. The child may be counting on his fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is fine. Or he may be counting the bars up here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or he may just guess, try to get the one, but the child will eventually discover by checking that 2 and 4 makes 6. In fact, the child might even get out the 6 and place them here so that he can place the 2 amounts together to see if they add up to 6. The child tries 2 on the side, 4 on the top, and places the units in the corner. What is the child learning by doing this? The child doesn't even know he is learning his addition facts, but indeed he is learning his addition facts. We have now factored the problem. Our factors are x plus 2 over x plus 2 over x plus 4 up.